Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ripple. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Cryptos as a whole have been going pretty crazy, as I'm sure you're well aware. So definitely want to get some things updated here, as the last 24 hours have been very eventful. As a friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, let's just call it Sunday afternoon, then yeah, the chart is going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the first question that is by no means some sort of great discovery on my part. I assure you, anybody that uses charts, understands charts, is wondering the same thing. But it's all about that purple line right there, the very famous 50 period simple moving average. And just to assign a value to it, let's call it 35 cents. So question number one, we'll also say that you're watching this, Sunday afternoon. So Sunday afternoon, question number one becomes, where's the price at relative to 35 cents? If you're answering the question that the price is still up above 35 cents, then that implies at least that this overall movement does still have a chance to build upon itself. What do I mean by build upon itself? Well, let's say that the price, like I said, has gone down and it's just basically sitting right around here, right up above 35 cents. Well, still at that point, like I said, that would give you a set of lows there. You'd have these lows down there, and if you envision each of those as stair steps, you still have stair steps building upon one another in the upwards direction. And from a bullish side of things, that's what you would want to see. So that is why 35 cents pretty important. Now, if you were answering the question that the price is down below 35 cents, that's where things start to get pretty sketchy. The next immediate question you would want to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 33 cents? 33 is very important because, and I'm not saying this will happen, but if you are somehow answering the question that the price is now down below 33 cents, so the price is broken down below there, at that point, from a very literal perspective, that's literally putting the price right back inside of this area where it was before the the big breakout occurred. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. So going forward, like I said, the two key support levels to watch all weekend long are, again, that ideal level you want to see the price stay above 35. But if that doesn't hold, then 33 cents, at least in my opinion, is more so kind of that must-hold level. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not going to touch on those. Just let your gut instincts, kind of, guide you there. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're watching this Sunday afternoon and the price is now up there at 44 cents, well, obviously at that point, this pullback here has proven to be healthy, and not only proven to be healthy, but now the bulls are starting to show signs of strength again. So from the upside perspective, it's pretty self-explanatory. The higher the price is up above 35 cents, if that's the case, the better for the overall chart. But been a crazy past a couple days, and looking like it'll be a pretty eventful weekend. So let's see how it all plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.